4 days before production begins.
We've already lost it. We've sang like Friday 3 times. I mean, that's
It's
you
fine.
always. I think every year there's a song that you remember, whatever film that you're working on, and I think Friday's going to be it for this production. Like we're always gonna every time we see that video, like in the future, which is going to be like a million times,
We're gonna think.
we're gonna think it game over. That's what we're gonna do.
It's Friday.
Why? Why were you saying what's the connection, Big D?
We start on Friday.
Yeah, we start on Friday. That's a good point. And I think we're all starting to lose our minds. And the song's actually becoming like a catchy, good song to all of us because we've been, singing it so much.
I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna like it on YouTube. I'm gonna be one of the very few to like the YouTube video.
You sound like Cleveland from Family Guy when you said that. I'm gonna go home and like it on YouTube.
No, so in all seriousness, what have we been doing tonight?
What have we been doing tonight? We've been going through our list of just tasks, the last minute tasks that must be completed. We're kind of a last minute kind of team, but it's worked out so far, and we have to finish building the set. I'd say the set's like 85-90% done, and I'm really impressed with how it was once an empty room and now it's a video store, essentially. I mean, it's really, really. I think probably the best thing for us that we've done so far. It's very, very exciting. So I just praying for the best. It's showtime on Friday. So that's all I got.
Cute.
Friday, getting down
Everybody,
Friday.
everybody
to
to
the
the
weekend,
weekend.
partying, fun.
Looking forward to the weekend. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. We so excited. We so excited. We gonna have a ball today.